Choosing the right coffee machine can be confusing. Weak pressure, poor temperature control, and low-quality builds often ruin the coffee experience. That's why we picked the top 5 best coffee machines of 2026 on Aliexpress. From stovetop Moka pots to professional espresso machines, these options cover home, office, and travel use. We analyzed performance, pressure, durability, and user feedback. All product links are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Number 5. EasyWorks Diego Stovetop Espresso Maker Stainless Steel is a classic Italian-style moka pot designed for rich and strong coffee. Built with durable stainless steel, it supports induction cooking and ensures even heat distribution. It's perfect for beginners who want traditional espresso-style coffee without electricity. Compact and travel-friendly, this coffee maker delivers authentic flavor and is easy to clean, making it ideal for daily home use or outdoor brewing. Number 4. Hybrew H10B 20-bar semi-automatic espresso coffee machine features adjustable temperature control and strong pressure for barista-style coffee at home. It supports both hot and cold brewing, making it versatile for espresso, cappuccino, and latte. The slim design fits small kitchens while still delivering professional performance. With stable extraction and easy controls, this machine is perfect for beginners and coffee lovers who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Number 3. GZZT CM6005 Professional Coffee Machine 3100W is a high-power espresso maker designed for serious coffee lovers. It features double pumps, triple heating systems, and PID temperature control for precise brewing. With 15 bar pressure, it extracts rich crema and bold flavor every time. Built for commercial-style performance, this machine is ideal for offices, cafes, or home baristas who want consistent, high-quality espresso with advanced. Number 2. STARSEEKER Super 58 Portable Electric Espresso Machine is designed for travelers and outdoor coffee lovers. It supports USB-C charging and works perfectly in cars, camping trips, or office use. Its compact design includes a built-in tamper and bracket for easy brewing anywhere. Despite its size, it delivers strong espresso pressure and rich flavor. This is the perfect solution for people who want fresh coffee anytime, anywhere without relying on bulky machines. Number 1. 20-bar electric semi-automatic espresso coffee machine is a powerful and stylish coffee maker designed for home and office use. It delivers 20 bar pressure for rich espresso extraction and smooth crema. Easy-to-use controls make it beginner-friendly while still offering professional results. Its compact design saves space while delivering consistent performance. Ideal for daily coffee lovers who want cafe-style espresso without spending too much money on high-end machines. These top 5 coffee machines of 2026 on Aliexpress offer great value from budget moka pots to professional espresso machines. Whether you need portability, home use, or cafe-level performance, there's something here for everyone. Which one would you choose? Comment below.